You got that PPP loan, you spend the PPP funds, and let's hope you spend those funds on qualified expenses, because today we're talking about how to apply for PPP loan forgiveness. Hi there, business mavericks! Are you ready for the latest and greatest PPP loan forgiveness guidelines? Silly question, I know. Let's first dive into some common questions, then I'll detail the specifics around applying for forgiveness with your lender. First question, why are some people waiting to apply for forgiveness? PPP borrowers who took out loans for $150,000 or less may have been waiting for a simplified form to be released by the SBA. This application form, named Form 3508S, is now available. Other business owners may be waiting to apply for forgiveness simply because their lender hasn't started accepting forgiveness applications yet. However, as we'll explain in a bit, this shouldn't be cause for concern if this is the case. What documents do I need for PPP forgiveness? Depending on the amount you borrowed and other factors, you'll need to fill out and submit SBA Form 3508, Form 3508 Easy, Form 3508S to your lender to be considered for forgiveness. You may also be required to submit payroll documentation, bank statements, account statements, tax forms, receipts, and canceled checks. If you want to know if you can use those 3508 documents and forms, hang out just for a few minutes. I'll cover that right after these FAQs. My lender hasn't started accepting applications yet. What do I do? Don't worry. Rest assured that you'll be able to apply for forgiveness before your 10-month post-covered period window for forgiveness closes. I have a PPP loan and I'm selling my business. Do I have to follow special guidelines? SBA consent will be required for any change in ownership unless the PPP loan has already been satisfied or the sale or transfer is for less than 50% of the borrower's stock ownership. There's a few more subtleties with this, and I highly recommend to review our full article on our website. Okay, with those FAQs out of the way, let's dive into when and how to apply for forgiveness. So first, you'll apply for PPP loan forgiveness through the lender that serviced your PPP loan. Those who borrowed more than $150,000 must either submit a SBA Form 3508 or the Easy Loan Forgiveness application. This easy option is available to borrowers who meet one of the following conditions: self-employed or have no employees, salaries or wages of employees were not reduced by more than 25%, and employee hours were not reduced, experienced reduction in business as a result of COVID-19 health directives, and did not reduce employee wages by more than 25%. The SBA now offers a simplified loan forgiveness application for businesses that received PPP loans of $150,000 or less. To successfully apply through Form 3508S, you'll need Not sure which form is right for you? You can triple check in our comparison guide on our website, and you'll find that link in the description below. Now, don't forget that you'll submit your loan forgiveness application to your lender, not to the SBA. Once your lender has received everything, they must decide on your loan forgiveness status within 60 days. If the lender denies your application in full, they must inform you that they have sent a letter to the SBA denying the application. If you want to dispute the decision and directly petition the SBA, you have to notify the lender within 30 days of receiving your rejection letter that you are requesting an SBA review. I hope this info was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and join our growing community of business mavericks. And leave all of your questions in the comments. See you next time.